Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Fire Stick when it's not connecting or it's being difficult to connect. And this is actually a really simple method. On most TVs, you have an option called Anynet Plus. So if I go to menu right now on my TV option, and I'm using a Samsung TV, and I go to System, and I scroll on down, under here, we should see an option called Anynet Plus or HDMI CEC. Make sure this is turned on. Then go to the source or inputs on your TV and go to HDMI CEC as the option and Fire Stick right here. Go to that input and select it, and you'll notice that you can control your TV now with your remote. So I'm using this to control the Amazon Fire Stick. Go over to Settings. Now go down, and then go to Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Now go to Amazon Fire TV Remote and go to Add New Remote. Now I already have my remote synced and paired under here, but go to your remote and hold down the home button and place this into the pairing mode. So it will go ahead and start to blink green now, and the remote should show up as an option under that list. So you can see it's kind of blinking green. So this will place the remote into the pairing mode, and it gives you directions over here on the side. And once it pops up, use your TV remote and simply select it. So you'd select it with the TV remote, and then maybe press the home button to turn it on or something like this, and your Amazon Fire Stick remote should be reconnected. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.